She doing all my drugs, young ballin' in the club like lil' mama in my eyesight. She go home with me tonight, we connect like Wi-Fi, yeah, on the table.
Finally, it's arrived. 2 packages, 1 little one, 1 big one. Ordered this back in March when they first released it.
A few inches later.
And it's arrived today. What is today's date? Yeah, 12th of June. Not impressed with the timescale, but whatever. Might as well start with this one. Now, Shockwave Atlas 3.0. So, nothing else in the box. And this is what this looks like. Nice and messy. Don't know if you can make it out. Let's chop this bad boy. Twist it open. Okay, so you got to install it yourself. Headphones. You got the new magnetic actual device. This is their USP basically, the fact that it's magnetic. Once you put it in, you're not really going to take it out every day. So that's a bit whatever. Volume, charging, power. We'll find out what that little button's for. Aerial and headphones. You've got the actual headphones, which are a nightmare to get out by the looks of it. Okay. See, it's got the Ruroc embossed foam cover. See what else you get in here. And there's the microphone. What else do you get in there? USB charging cable, USB-C. And that's a booklet, bit of bedtime reading. Now for the main item. There's that. So it's a big ass box. Atlas 3.0. Don't know if you can see it, but it says Ruroc Protection Re-Engineered. Got the Ruroc logo on here. Oh, here we go. Atlas 3.0 liquid carbon medium. So I'm just hoping it fits. Let's get into the bit that I've been waiting for over 3 months. It's nicely packaged. What the hell is this? I believe that's more paperwork. Oh, stickers. Okay, that's decent. So that's that. This comes with padding. Don't know if you can make out, but it's quite thick foamed. And
You go lick her.
we get it out. Oh, it comes with, you get in the box the helmet and a spare visor. See what color the visor is. So with it you get a black tinted visor. Clear one, is it a black one? No, it's a black one. Got the pin lock for the anti-fogging. Let's get the main item out. What we've been waiting for. What else is in the box? You get a bottle opener, which is decent. Actual helmet itself, Ruroc embossed. Bloody hell, they made a good job of this. And damn.
Oh my god!
Firstly, it's light as hell. Liquid gloss carbon with the clear visor. So this says Ruroc 3.0 certified. Shockwave install there. You got the quick detach. Is it magnetic? I don't even know how this works. Oh, there we go, it is magnetic. We've got the liquid carbon. Is that?
Oh, hell no!
Hold on a second. Easy or difficult, that is. Don't even know what I'm doing here. Apparently. Anyway. Oh wow, okay. Once the helmet is no longer viable for return. Oh, there we go. You got to put a bit of pressure on it. Get the pins out. 1 and 2. Take that off. There's a clear one. Put the tinted one on. Fuck this unboxing. One goes in, but the other one seems to be got there in the end. Put the pin lock back in. Shut. And there we go. That's on. I'm not a fan of this though. It's got a massive scratch in there.
No, God!
It's quite bad to be fair. See, this side's clear. I don't know if you can make it out. This side's got a massive scratch. Not impressed. A scratch there, there's a scratch there.
What the fuck?
Send it straight back for full return. That's bullshit.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.